There are infinite options when designing the front and back cover of our photobook. Today we're going to have a look at one great idea. With a minimal number of elements, we have decorated this design. We have used the colour red and stars as the main theme, even using the star shape for our main photo. Let's do it in the software. We're going to use a fill box to decorate our back cover with a texture. We then extend it until it passes the spine. We add our photo and make it square. We apply a star mask. We centre it and rotate it a little bit. Now we are going to add a star clip art. Make it smaller and use the colour adjustment tool to turn it red as our back cover. Perfect! We copy and paste it and place it into the other side of the photo. We make it bigger and rotate it a little bit too. We're going to move everything a little bit to the right to place the text on the bottom left corner. And now we add our text. We choose the same red as the stars. And we have finished our cover.